Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to edit your name in the Vinted app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Vinted app. And here it opens up in the home menu, where we have some articles. From here we have to go into the profile menu, and then tap on settings, and in settings tap on account settings. And here if we scroll down a bit, we have full name. You can tap on this and then change it if we want to. And afterwards if we have changed it, we can just tap on the check mark button in the top right corner to save it. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.